Titan SV features all S equipment, including the standard 400 horsepower V8 engine, and adds additional features for more style, capability, and convenience. Titan SV is available with 4-wheel drive in both crew cab and king cab configurations. The SV is available in 6 exterior colors. The SV King Cab comes with 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, a body color grille surround with black mesh, and a chrome front bumper with a removable front aero spoiler. It has stylish LED taillights and a 6.5-foot bed to help you handle cargo with ease. The SV Crew Cab adds full-size rear doors, a full-size cabin, and has a bed length of 5.5 feet. The interior comes in 2 colors, beige cloth and charcoal cloth. It's a stylish interior with useful features and smart design, like silver metallic trim, mood lighting, and carpeted flooring. With all the technology of the Titan S, the SV adds NissanConnect with available Wi-Fi for your digital devices. On the road, the SV includes all the driver assistance tech included with the S model, plus intelligent cruise control. The tow package adds a number of features that enhance Titan SV's towing capability. The utility package makes your bed even more functional with several useful features. The convenience package adds numerous features to make your day-to-day life easier.